Originally, we started in 1996 as Aquest Machining. In 2018, FabX Industries stepped in. From there, we continued on with the Aquest brand, but we also started LaserTec, which is where our sheet metal fabrication comes from. In the Greenville, Michigan location, we have a 50,000 square foot facility. Primarily, that's where you'll find the Aquest and LaserTec. And we also have another location down in Elkhart, Indiana, which is LaserTec and Steel Harbor. We focus with the marine and specifically pontoon industry. Some of the parts that we supply for these customers is a lot of sheet metal fabricating extrusions, basically the structural part of the pontoon and some cosmetic. Laser was really new to us in the beginning, but we did know that with our customers, there was a demand there. That was the challenge for us in the beginning, was being able to meet those needs. You have options like routering, but that's not as efficient as, say, a laser. We were willing to learn that. We didn't know where to start. It's not hard to see that there's a lot of options in the market when it comes to lasers. It comes to the point where you're really looking for customer service and what can be offered to you to help you on your journey. With Mazak, I think we learned really quickly that they knew what they were talking about. And not only that, when we talked about our goals and our needs, they were really good at explaining to us a right direction to go in. We knew right away that that customer service is kind of what we were looking for. It's more of a partnership than just buying a machine from someone. So in 2019, we ended up picking up a 6 kilowatt. It wasn't long before we realized that we needed another one. So we ended up picking up a 4 kilowatt Nexus fiber optic. And at that point is when we added the Remmer automation system, tying both lasers together. That has really opened up the doors for lights out machining. We are able to load the machine and walk out the door and come back in and completed parts. Adding that additional production time without the labor side of it for a company is huge, and it's been very beneficial for us. We've been very busy with those lasers up to the point where we knew we needed a third one for our new location in Indiana. And that is the Nexus S7. Buying that laser, it really opened the door to a lot of opportunities, and with adding new customers as well as being able to support the continuous ones that we have. I think the biggest thing for Mazak that stood out for us that we noticed right away was the cut conditions and the quality of cutting. That has really helped us a lot, especially with our industry, where that cut condition going to the consumer is extremely important. To be able to control that cut condition and get it to where you almost don't need to do any deburring after cut is huge, especially for a company that is looking to do a quick turnaround. One thing that stood out with us with the Mazaks was the speed. To process material through those machines has been very efficient. We've pushed a lot of material last year alone. Working with Mazak, they've really helped us fine-tune those machines, and especially when it comes to the cutting conditions and even material handling. Working with Mazak's been great. You got questions, you call, you ask them, they're willing to answer it for you. There's always someone there that can help us out, and they've really helped us grow. We know that moving forward into this year and the next, there are a lot more opportunities that we haven't touched yet. And we're really looking forward to seeing what we can offer now with the lasers.